students. As you all have been receiving worksheets related to the sentence and its types, this video is for revision as well as the explanation of the same concept. Now, let's start with what a sentence is. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It stands independently and it expresses a clear meaning. A sentence must contain an action word or verb. Sentences also contain a subject or the doer of the action. Some sentences include an object, that is, the person or thing that undergoes the action. Sentences begin with a capital letter, they end with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. Now, coming to the types of sentences. Can you remember the 4 sentence types? In general, they include statement, exclamation, question and a command. There are 4 major types of sentences. The first one are declarative sentences. These are those which make statements or assertions, as Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. These are the most common type of sentences in the English language. I have written some statements like I walked home. It ends with a full stop or period. More examples that I have included for declarative sentences are he runs, I like climbing, dogs are cute, our grandfather lives in Madurai. The next one is interrogative sentences. These are the questions that are asked in order to obtain information. They end with a question mark. Some examples that are mentioned here are did he eat lunch? This ends with a question mark. We are asking this question in order to obtain some information. Next one, where did you leave your lunch box? The next one, can I have chips please? These type of sentences, the interrogative ones, always they end with a question mark. Now, next type is the exclamatory sentences. As the name suggests, these express strong feelings and excitement or extreme dislike. These are quite loud as they explain full emotions. These are just like declarative, but these are with stronger emotions, and that's why they end in the exclamation mark. Now, some examples. Wow, she must love scuba diving. Red blue seal whales are out of this world. What a lovely day. These statements end with an exclamation mark. An exclamation sentence usually start with how or what. Next are the imperative sentences. Whenever a demand is expressed, it is an imperative sentence. It could also be an instruction, a request, a wish or a demand. Basically, anything you want to make happen can be expressed in what we call imperative sentences. They can end with a full stop or an exclamation mark depending on the tone of the sentence. Very strong emotions are of course followed by an exclamation mark. Examples that I have included here are get out, it's a command. Pass me your book, it is a polite request. Have fun at the ball dance. This statement is expressing a wish. Come to the ball dance with me. It is an invitation. This sentence expresses an invitation. Now there is an important note for you. Do not confuse imperative sentences with the exclamatory sentences. One clear-cut difference between two is that there is always a command in the imperative sentence, whereas there will never be a command in the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences are declarations, but really strong ones. Both sentences have exclamatory marks at the end, but the two are different.